An AI told a home cook to bake a 6-inch cake for 4 hours. What came out of the oven was charcoal. And that wasn't a glitch. It's how almost every AI cooking tool is built. They'll plan your dinner. Some will even buy the groceries. But the second the food hits the plate, they forget it ever happened. By the end of this, you'll know the one missing piece that decides whether your AI gets better every week or just keeps handing you charcoal. Because the problem was never the recipe. It's what happens after. We've spent 3 years obsessing over the first half of cooking. The recipe, the plan, the ingredients, the pretty photo, and AI got weirdly good at that part. But cooking has a second half. What actually happened at the table? Was it dry? Did the kids eat it? Did it really take 55 minutes, not 30? That's the half nobody is building for. Ask ChatGPT for dinner tonight, and it treats you like a stranger. It doesn't know what you cooked last Tuesday. It doesn't know the sweet potatoes from Monday are still in your fridge. Every chat starts at day 1. The recipe isn't the hard problem anymore. Remembering is. So why the charcoal? Why does AI keep getting cook times this wrong? Here's the mechanism. These recipes are averaged, blended from thousands of recipes online. None of them actually tested. Food Republic put it perfectly. Any recipe that says caramelize onions in 10 minutes was never cooked. Real onions take 45. The 4-hour cake, the chicken roasted too short to be safe. Same root cause. Averaging untested numbers. And you can't fix an average with a better average. The only fix is feedback from the one kitchen that actually cooked it. Said 30 minutes, took 55, 3 times in a row. That single line of data, nobody collects it. So who is actually capturing what happens after you cook? I ran the scorecard. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, nothing structured. A note you paste might survive, or get quietly forgotten 2 chats later. Mealime gives you a thumbs up. Paprika lets you write a note it never reads. Samsung Food and Yumly take a star rating, and that's it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Doesn't TasteOS already do this? It does, actually. It trains a taste model from what you log across 8 dimensions. So the field is waking up. But a star rating still isn't a cook log. One number can't tell your app the recipe ran 25 minutes long. Here's where it stops being abstract. Close the loop, and 5 other things quietly fix themselves. Take your pantry. Most apps subtract ingredients when you shop, but a shopping list is a wish. The cook is what's real. So the pantry only stays honest if it updates when you cook. An honest inventory is money. The NRDC says a family of 4 throws out around $1,800 of food a year. A huge slice of that is just stuff you forgot you already had. Invisible inventory. The app that knows what you cooked is the app that stops you rebuying the spinach already wilting in your drawer. But wait, didn't the chatbots all get a memory upgrade this year? They did. ChatGPT's 2026 memory hit 83% recall. Genuinely impressive. And I went in expecting it to fix exactly this. It doesn't. Because memory isn't the same as a kitchen. ChatGPT still doesn't know your pantry. So even if it remembers your note, it can't subtract a single onion. The Instacart hookup nails the shopping. But cook and learn? Still empty. The upgrade made the chatbot a better listener. It did nothing to make it a better cook. So what do you do with all this? Whether you cook or you build, first, people still trust people. A 2026 study found home cooks are 3 times more likely to reach for a food blog than AI, and only 12% would pick AI to find a recipe at all. Trust is the moat, and the opening is right there in the second half. Capture what happens after the cook, and you own the part everyone else ignores. That's the whole idea behind Recipy. Cook a recipe, and the pantry decrements, the rating updates, the next meal plan reflects tonight. Other apps run on your phone. Recipy runs your kitchen. That's the difference between a recipe and a cook. So, back to that cake. It didn't burn because the AI was dumb. It burned because nothing ever told it what happened the first time. Fix that one loop, and 4 hours becomes 3 becomes right. The recipe was never the hard part. The kitchen remembering. That's the whole game. Next time, I'm digging into cooking for kids with AI, an honest field report on whether any of it survives a 7-year-old. The full breakdown is on the Recipy blog. I'll see you in the next one.
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.